Hi everyone, this is Mary Beth from the How To Home. I'm here today with my son Joe. Go ahead, say hi, Joe. And we're going to go ahead, and we've already done the durability test for N-Hance, which if you've never heard of N-Hance, it's a great way to refinish your cabinets, your kitchen cabinets, to remodel your kitchen, you know, without having to replace the cabinets. So if you have good quality wood cabinets, you don't need to replace them. Just use N-Hance. It's so much better than paint. And we've already done the durability test, and this is latex on this side, and this is the N-Hance finish. So that's why they're already a little bit scuffed up slightly, if you'll notice. But we're going to go ahead and do it for you on camera so you can see for yourself how awesome N-Hance is and how durable it is. So go ahead, Joe. What are you going to do first?
I'm going to do the sandpaper first.
Okay, go ahead and tell us what you're doing. And as I said, these have already been done once, and I'll have pictures of that, but we're going to go ahead and do it for you now in person live.
Alright, so we'll do the sandpaper right here. So with this, I feel like there's a lot of friction and buildup over it, and as you can see, there's a lot of scuffs going on, and I did kind of grind into it pretty hard, but that's what you have.
Okay, want to go ahead and do that on the N-Hance? And tell me what happens there.
Okay, as you see, I was doing it. I had applied just as much pressure, but it felt like it was sliding. Did not feel like there was any friction to it, unlike the latex.
Alright, awesome. Okay, what you going to do next?
Let's do the penny.
Alright. Joe's going to go ahead and scrape a penny across the surface of the latex painted cabinets and then the N-Hance.
So as you see, I was able to grind into it. You got a
remove
mark.
Some paint, huh?
Yeah, it did.
Definitely left a mark.
Not a good thing.
No. Okay, so go ahead and let's see what it does on the N-Hance.
It feels like there's no friction. I can't really. It was in this area right there, and you can't really see anything.
Okay, awesome. All right, so the N-Hance held up to the penny test.
All right, so I guess what's left is the hammer.
So you're gonna go ahead and use the hammer now. All right, some of the paint seems to have come off there, and it definitely dented the wood. Yeah, you can see the paint where it came off. Wood almost like bounced off, it seems like, huh?
Yeah, it didn't really leave a mark as over here, and there's no paint that actually came off on the N-Hance, but on the latex, you can see white spots, scuffs. The paint definitely came off.
Okay, so overall, N-Hance was far more durable than regular latex paint, and if you check below, I'll have a link to more information on my blog, and this post has been sponsored by Babble Boxx. Thanks so much.